Senate Bill 2308. Imagine this. Imagine Texas picks one hand-picked team made up of a university, a hospital, and a drug developer, then helps fund a high-risk addiction treatment trial with public backing while hoping the drug succeeds later and brings money back to the state. What the bill says it does? SB 2308 says it is creating a path for Texas to help fund FDA drug trials for ibogaine as a possible treatment for opioid addiction and related mental health conditions. It presents itself as a way to support research, help people struggling with addiction, and potentially benefit veterans too. What it actually does? It gives HHSC the power to pick a small group of major players to run this project, while requiring matching money and specialized hospital infrastructure that smaller providers will not have. This means large universities, hospital systems, and drug development partners can move into a state-backed position, while local providers and ordinary Texans have very little say in how the program is structured or who gets chosen. Who benefits? Large Texas universities, hospitals with ICU-level cardiac care, drug developers and biotech partners, veteran-focused programs if future revenue comes in, advocacy groups and organizations tied to the project's rollout. Who pays the price? Smaller clinics and community providers shut out by the requirements, rural Texans who may not be near these institutions, taxpayers if the project costs grow and expected returns do not materialize, patients if public attention shifts toward a narrow, high-profile model instead of broader addiction care access. Why it matters. When the state helps build a special pathway for one treatment through one selected consortium, that is not just about research. It is about who gets power, who gets public backing, and who gets left outside the room. If this model grows, Texas could keep moving toward public-private health programs that are controlled by a few institutions instead of being spread across communities that actually need care. Bottom line, Senate Bill 2308 could help launch new addiction treatment research, but it also concentrates power and opportunity in a small circle while leaving everyday Texans with limited oversight.